Okay. So basically, today we will be presenting two games. We have the Whack-A-Mole and the Pinball. Yeah. So basically, all our stuff here is we built from scratch. So we just got all raw materials, and then the cost is very low and everything. Yeah. So it doesn't. It's like you can see everything here. It's not expensive food, but we just do everything.
Don't worry, I decide on that. Come, tell me.
Okay. So let's start with the Whack-A-Mole. Okay, so this is our circuit diagram. We use actually 3 Arduino boards. Yeah, so one for LCD and one master and one slave. And then so like you can see, this is our construction process. And these are the stuff we use. We actually use limit switches for the moles, the LED as an indication, toggle switch for on/off, potential meter to adjust difficulty, LCD screen, and most importantly, we actually use UART communication. This is the main feature of our Whack-A-Mole. So they can further elaborate on the UART.
Yeah, because we're using 2 Arduinos at the same time, so we are trying to use UART to make every round start at the same time. So that's very challenging.
Can you show me the game and then you explain along?
So we'll turn off the toggle switch, then you can choose the difficulty.
Yeah, you can see from the LCD screen.
So now it's
level.
difficulty 1, and now it's 2. Yeah, the LED will show the difficulty as well. And then now the game starts.
Yeah. So you can see the green LED will indicate for you to hit it. Then you will plus 1 point. While the red is indicating don't hit it, or else if you hit it, you will minus 1 point.
Okay, hit the red one next time. Hit the red one. Okay, red one. I want to see you minus point.
The score is on here.
Yeah, but now it's the communication is a bit off, so we might need to change.
Try again.
Okay, reset. Try again.
Communication.
Okay.
Too many people.
No. This time we can try. And now it's level 2.
Oh, he's waiting for the game to start.
So it's not.
Okay. What then score 0?
Now it's 1.
So if we hit
Hit the red one. No, it only refresh every round. Now it's 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
So every time is a new score, is it? It's not accumulating.
Yeah, it's accumulating score, I think.
Right. So this one is not showing us score, huh? Why?
Yeah, we try to upload score to the LCD. We're using.
Because all the pins are actually occupied, so we only have 1 pin for the score, and the pin need to pass high and low. Can only pass high and low, right? And because this thing is continuously passing high and low, it doesn't have a mid value. So that's why this thing, if we use this, the score is just keep adding or keep dropping because the period is different. So the main thing for Whack-A-Mole and Pinball, the special thing in communication is that. Because we use a lot of LEDs in both games, so they have a lot of delay as well as solenoid and all those kind of things. So in order to avoid delays, we're using the Melis function to check the time from the start of the game, and also can use this to show if the period of passing scores and receiving score is a bit different, then the score will get a very big problem. If you receive in one receiving period, you pass 2 score information, then they will overlap.
Actually, we try to send the low high in series for different time intervals, and then now we are still like trying to fix one interval that works the best. Just now we tried 15 millisecond, but it doesn't work that well, so the score doesn't refresh quite well. So maybe we change
so now not working so well lah. So but that score reflected here, but here supposed to receive the score.
Yeah.
So you have two MCU, one to control the LED lights and the limit switches, and one for the LCD.
We have three. There are two like actually this 5 is controlled by this LCD, this MCU, and this 4 is controlled by this. And there's a third MCU for the LCD. So actually the highlights I would say is because the two MCU need to like start from the same time every round. So we make it to be like very synchronized for all the LEDs to light up, and they receive the scores and print out.
Right. Second game come.
Okay. So the second game is like pinball. Yeah, so actually we use quite a few stuff here, but our main components are like the solenoid. So like our bumpers, our flippers all uses the solenoid. And then like the normal stuff like LED buzzer and on-off switch.
Demo.
Yeah, but you want to explain
Because this morning, right, when we tried to test it, right, it short-circuited the computer. Like the computer shut down straight away. So like
got burning smell.
Yeah, so like we cannot use the
main. At first we use the Mega, right. Then it's like everything on this board lah. Then after that the thing short circuit. So we try not to touch here. Then we last minute we do the thing.
We just
got something short circuit again. So we suspect that the problem is the inside.
Probably inside.
It's inside. It's not here. It's inside.
Yeah, but we have a video of how the bumper works, and we can explain how the bumper will work.
Yeah.
Also, okay. So basically, right, in commercial pinball, right, the bumper is activated through like a very sensitive limit switch. But then we cannot achieve that kind of precision like using all these kind of cardboard, right? So what we did was instead we wrapped two different copper coils on one side on the surface of the bumper. So this one coil will go to one side of the, you imagine like a switch, you have two terminals, right? So each coil will go to one of the terminals. So when the ball, which is made of metal, right, comes into contact with these two parts of the coil, right, you will actually complete the circuit. Then the Arduino will read that input, and then it will activate the solenoid to go down. So it will go down and then it will push the ball out. So we actually have a video of that. We can show him.
This was on the old board lah. So
this was on our old board before we changed.
Our prototype board. So it wasn't very smooth.
So every time the ball comes into contact, the solenoid activate. Yeah.
So it goes down to squeeze the ball out.
Yeah, correct. You just bump the ball out.
Yeah, then on top of that we have so basically we have distance sensor also to measure when the ball will pass through. So this basically because the pinball will have like a ramp kind of thing, so we put a distance sensor here, measure when the ball passes through, and then you will get some points. And then over here we have like 3 limit switches. I don't think you can see from this angle. So
you want to count?
Yeah, each time you hit, you will just light up the LED. So if you hit 3 within like a certain time, then if you hit 3 within a certain time, then you will just get bonus points for the game. Yeah, and then at the end we have a limit switch also. So when the ball comes down, it will engage the limit switch. Then that's how the Arduino knows that it's game over.
Yeah, because we got 5 solenoid, so like 5 12-foot solenoid. That's why I think gonna short circuit, then like something burn.
Yeah.
So right now we separate, like the one that don't need Arduino is currently the flippers.
Yeah, so the flippers actually work. The flippers work. So
right.
Yeah, maybe we just put like here. Like the yellow one is the right one, so yeah. So it works. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then but it's just the things that need the Arduino, right, somehow short-circuited today. So like we couldn't use the Arduino. But the thing that yeah.
Can understand.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.